All right, welcome to another quick tips video when it comes to option trading. In this segment, we're going to take a look at the bid-ask spread. I'll give you a little warning and insight, especially for those of you that are brand new to trading options. So if you're new to trading options, this is something that's quite important to watch and pay attention to. If you're a little more advanced and you've been around a while, this is probably pretty easy. But if you're brand new, I'd highly also encourage you to check out our website at tradersfly.com. There's a lot of great freebies out there to download, and there's also free mini courses and those types of things to get you started when trading options or learning options. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I want to give you a little insight to looking at the bid-ask spread. And if we pull up something like a Tesla here, and we look at it because it's a very popular stock, you've got a bid and an ask. Now this is on the stock. So if you look at the difference here, I've got a bid of about 272.87 and an ask of almost around that same range. It's about a 5-cent difference, as you can see it wiggling around here, maybe a 3-cent difference. And now if we go to the option side and we go to about a 30-day option, so this is August 11th, it's 30 days. But by the time you watch this, it's going to be sometime in the future. But even then, the difference here is about maybe 15 cents difference between the bid and the ask. So if you look at the bid and the ask, let's go to one strike here. The bid and the ask, it's only about a 15 cents, 10 cents, 15 cents difference or so. So it's not too bad. If we go ahead and look at a stock like AutoZone, so let's check this out. AutoZone has a completely different bid-ask spread, and that's simply the volume is a lot lower. You've got only 9,000 shares traded here. Look at the bid and the ask. We've got 25.55 to 25.65. So just on the stock price itself, about a $10 difference or so. If you look at the options, you've got almost a $10 difference in the option, 69 versus 79 between the bid and the ask. So why is this important or critical? The reason this is important and critical to watch is the bid and ask is you could get filled at the bid, you could get filled at the ask, you could get filled at the mid price. And when you're dealing with a stock like this, like AutoZone, that doesn't trade very liquid, the problem with it is you could be on the wrong side, meaning you could get ripped off. So if we go and look at right here and we just look at buying this option, so let's buy because we're buying at $78. So this option now, if I try to put the order in, it could cost me $7,800. Okay, $7,800. But what if I got it at over here, $73.70? So now I could be paying $7,300. So do you want to pay $7,700 or $7,300? And that's kind of the thing with these options is that the wider they are, the bigger the difference. And you could be overpaying quite a lot when you're dealing with those options. And in fact, if you go to $69.80, you might actually not get filled at 73. You might actually get filled at maybe somewhere, let's just say 70. So you've got a range of about, a $10 wide here. And with that, you could be paying in the $7,000 range or almost the $8,000 range. So just to put that order in, you basically could be $1,000 higher or lower. So now you'd have to make an extra $1,000 just to kind of break even. So when you think about that, that could be really a huge problem and issue. So anyways, I wanted to share this little quick tip for you as far as looking at the bid-ask spread when you're doing some trading, especially on the option side. There's different ways to kind of mitigate some of this, but you got to really just work the order on some of those stocks that are less liquid. So if you go ahead and stay away from those kind of, illiquid stocks or stocks that don't trade that often, that could help you out. If you're interested in learning more about option trading, definitely check out our Jumpstart course. You can take a look at it on our tradingwebinars.co website. There's a lot of free videos and mini courses on there. So just take a look. It's really just there for kind of getting some free mini courses website. So that's all we put it up for. And that way you could continue learning and broadening your horizons and education. Thanks for joining me. Enjoy the rest of the day ahead, and I will see you in the next video.